Okay, so here's my mobile home, and here's my electrical setup here. So meter, panel, overhead lines to the main lines out there, and then it runs underground. So when you buy a manufactured home, you get it there, but you got to have an electrician come out and hook this up. So there's a trench. So what I paid for when I paid these electricians was they dug a trench and then ran conduit underneath the home to the back, and then plugged it in about right past where that door's at underneath the home there. Let me show you. And then they also put in this post. This is a 6x6 post, about 14 foot, and they said they went about 4 foot underground. And then everything that's attached to the post, they built all that. So the meter box, this is an oversized panel here. So you can see they got a little bit of extra room in there, but what I needed it for: septic, air condenser, and then the home itself has another panel inside. But so they dug the trench, they set that post, and then they ran it. And then also they had to install the AC disconnect here. So they installed that, and then they also had to run wire conduit to the back of the home for my septic tank that's back here. So they hooked up this wire in here. So they ran all that under the home. So they had to dig the trench, but once they got under the home, they could just run conduit and strap it to the home itself and run it underground because it's covered by the home itself, and it's in conduit as well. So I paid about $2,800 for all that, for the electrician, for all the material, for the panels, the meter box, the post, them to dig it, hook everything up. And then they also tested the home too to make sure that everything inside was good after they hooked it up. So let me know what you thought, if I got a good deal, if I overpaid, if you've had similar projects. What did you pay to hook up a manufactured home? So that's AC condenser, septic tank, the pole setup,